In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Avios points after booking Qatar Airways flight. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So first, if you go over to the Qatar Airways website, you can click on Privilege Club, and here you will find plenty of options related to Avios. One of the options under collect is going to be claim missing Avios. So this is going to be primary way to receive Avios that were not added into your account after booking on a Qatar Airways. So if you're fully using any of these partners or Airlines themselves, you don't get Avios, then usually this can be resolved by going over this page and choosing the option to claim my Avios. Choose the first one if you had a flight with Qatar Airways, or the other one if you had a flight with a partner airline. When you click claim my Avios, will be able to sign into your account and confirm the details. Then choose the claim on Qatar Airways on partners and see the history. You will then have to include the membership name on your account and then passenger ticket number. And if they confirm that this flight was eligible, you will be able to retrieve your Avios. Now if you go over to your dashboard, the Avios will be added into your account after you are done with that verification process. Now if you want to use Avio on a flight that has already been booked, you can go over to the spend category and to spend your Avios. After that, browse through the option and they are going to give you the option to book a new flight from zero. So redeeming Avios to get a discount on a flight that has been already booked is not possible. So keep that in mind, and that's it, you are done.